Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Ocugen INC. Recently we have seen that the stock has again started moving, and the good thing is this time it has hold its gains. Last time we have seen that the stock went up, falls down, unable to sustain its gains, but this time it is holding its gain. Now I'm updating at least for this particular. This is one of those stocks where I'm updating regular videos. Now I've already talked about consolidation and how it's going to pan out, and probably this is it. You can probably check out my previous videos on this, and if you have done that, probably you had already made double, because the stock went up from the lows of $6 or $7 to as high as $13 or $14 on the upside. So the stock is nearly doubled from the lower end of the range. And the most important thing is the high that it has made from the lows of 2020 March. So it is nearly 10,000% worth of move, and the stock is sustaining that move. So it's very important to understand when the stock made such a big move and it is sustaining that move, then we will definitely have some positive vibes which we can see here right now. Now, as far as the chart or the trend is concerned, so here we are. So as far as the chart or the trend is concerned, you will have something like this, where you will find your stop loss at $7. So this will be a stop loss, because the stock has already went up quite sharply. So $7, don't go below $7 on the downside. And as far as the upside is concerned, we have two particular levels to look at. We have 16.4 as your initial target, and then you have 19.55. So these are the two targets that we are going to look at, more specifically $19, which the stock has tested in the month of February. But this time, as you can see here, there is a gap. In 2018 fall, there is a gap that the stock has made. So there will definitely be a try that the stock is going to make beyond 19.5 or $20 to fill up the gap. So beyond 19.55, there will be two specific levels. First will be $25, and then we have this $33 or $34, which is this red line or 200-day moving average. Now the 200-day moving average will definitely change along with the price, so we can't say whether $33 is going to be fixed or it will move to 32 or 34. That's going to update. That's the one thing we can't tell. Okay, but anyhow, this is going to be a resistance, probable resistance, that one should look at nearly near to 33 or $34. But beyond that, if the stock moves, we have two big target to look at. So beyond that, if the stock moves, then we have two specific targets to look at, and it will start with $57, and it can go up to a high of $92. So these are going to be the next specific target which we are focusing on in the upcoming days, weeks, or probably months, depending upon the price action we have going forward. But everything big starts with a small thing, so don't go below $7 on the downside, and we will see, because $19 is not much far away. Once it started moving beyond a particular level, we have to see how this is going to pan out. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.